Welcome dear students. আজি class 9 the fan day head নামৰ পাঠটিৰ question answer সমূহ লৈ আহিছো। আৰম্ভ কৰো আহা। The fan day head ইয়াৰ প্ৰথম questionটোৰ answer সমূহ হৈছে question number 1 how old are Margie and Tommy? Answer Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Question number 2 what did Margie write in her diary? Answer Margie wrote Today, Tommy found a real book, or Margie wrote that Tommy had found a real book that day. তোমালোকে এই দুটা আনসাৰৰ ভিতৰত যিকোনো এটা লিখিলে হ'ব। Question number 3 had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer no, she had never seen a book before. Question number 4 what things about the book did she find strange? Answer Margie found it strange that the words on the pages stood still instead of moving. Question number 5 what do you think a telebook is? Answer a telebook is a book which can be read on television screen. All the words appear on the screen and the words move their own in it. Question number 6 where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer Margie's school was right next to her bedroom. No, she did not have any classmates. Question number 7 what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. Next question le agbahisu 1 I would not throw it away. Who says these words? Answer Tommy says these words. What does it refer to? It refers to the telebooks. Next question what is it being compared with by the speaker? Answer the speaker is comparing the television screen with the old printed book. According to him, one would have to throw away these old books after reading, but he would not throw away his telebooks as it contained a million books on it. Question number 2 so they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? Answer they refers to the students who studied in the old kind of schools centuries ago. Next question what does regular mean here? Answer here regular means the mechanical teacher who teaches Tommy and Margie. Next question what is it contrasted with? Answer it contrasted with the human teacher of the earlier times. The fun day header পিছৰ প্ৰশ্নসমূহলৈ আমি আগবাঢ়িছো। তৃতীয় অংশৰ প্ৰশ্নসমূহ হৈছে question number 1 what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer Margie and Tommy had regular mechanical teacher. It was large, black and ugly. It had a big screen on which lessons were shown and the questions were asked. The mechanical teacher had a proper slot in which Margie and Tommy had to insert their homework. Question number 2 why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Answer Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was giving her test after test in geography and she was doing very bad. Margie's mother thought that there was something wrong with the mechanical teacher and she sent for the county inspector. Question number 3 what did he do? The county inspector was a round little man who had a box of tools with dials and wires. He checked the mechanical teacher and opened it. Within an hour, the inspector had repaired it and made the mechanical teacher ready to teach Margie again. Question number 4 why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer the geography sector was the mechanical teacher The geography sector of the mechanical teacher was adjusted a little too quick. So Margie was doing badly in geography. The county inspector had slowed the geography sector up to an average 10-year level to help her. Question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer. Once Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month for repair because the history sector of the mechanical teacher had blanked out completely. Question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer. Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school. Her mechanical teacher was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday because Margie's mother told her that little girls would learn better if they learned at regular hours. Question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer. Tommy describes that the old kind of school had a special building for teaching. All the kids and the teacher went there and the students of the same age learned the same thing. Question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teacher? Answer. Tommy describes that the old kind of school had a teacher who was a man. The teacher just told the boys and girls things and gave the students homework and asked them questions. The teachers were smart enough. The students of same age group were taught the same thing. Next question লৈ আগবাঢ়িছোঁ 1. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Answer. The main features of the mechanical teachers that Margie and Tommy have in the story are: the mechanical teachers are large, black and ugly with big screens on which lessons were shown and questions were asked. Students had to put their homework and test papers in proper slot of the mechanical teachers. They had to write their answers in punch code. The main features of the school rooms are: the school rooms were in their homes itself. Their teachers were mechanical teachers. The mechanical teachers were always on at the same time except Saturday and Sunday. Students did not have any classmates. They had to learn at regular hours. Next question. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Answer. Margie hated school because her mechanical teacher was always on at the same time. It was always giving her homework and test after test. She did not like to insert her homework in the proper slot too. She thought that the old kind of school must have been fun because all the kids from the neighborhood came to the school. They shouted, laughed at the schoolyard and sat together. They learned the same things and could help each other with the homework. Next question. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. Yes, I agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story. Because the school in the story had mechanical teachers, the students could not discuss their problems with the teachers. They had to learn at fixed time. But in today's school, teachers are human beings. Students can share their feelings with the teachers. If they face any problem with the subjects, they can discuss it with their teachers, which is not possible to do with the mechanical teacher. Students have friends to talk about homeworks and playgrounds to play games. So we can say that schools today are more fun than the school in the story. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আমাৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰসমূহ ইমানতে শেষ হৈছে। ধন্যবাদ।